Hi guys, as you can see we have lots and lots of Disney titles for books and for movies, but what you might not know is that we have hundreds and hundreds more Disney books and movies that you can check out, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that all by yourself. When you click on Children's Material, you will be able to find the catalog for Kansas City Public Library. Once you are at the library website, you can search for anything you want to. So if you would like to search the entire catalog for the word Disney, it will show you everything that we have. If you are looking for a book, you can come over here to books and click any one of these. Maybe you love graphic novels or you want a large print book, you can find those here. But maybe you also want to watch a DVD, so you can click DVD and it will show you all the DVDs that we have available for you to check out at our library. Another way you can use this is if you are looking for something very specific. So maybe you just finished reading a Disney Descendants book, so you want to see if we have any more of those books. So you just type in Disney Descendants at the top, and it will show you all of the books and videos that we have on Descendants. Now let's say also that you just read a graphic novel and you absolutely love graphic novels. You can come over here under books and look for just the graphic novels that we have for Disney Descendants. If you find the book you like and you would like to check it out, look for this green word available, and that means that we have it in our library. Just go to the section labeled J Graphic Fiction and look for the sticker that says J Graphic Fiction Wall. If you need help finding this, ask one of our wonderful librarians and they would be more than happy to help you. If you are at home and you find a book you would like and it is available, just place a hold on it using this green place a hold button and we will hold it for you and you can come check it out with your library card. Finally, if you would like to see what is new at the library, you can also see what our most recent items are that we have put out. Say you want to find a DVD that has been put on the shelves in the last week. So I will search for Disney. I will go down and search for DVD, and then I will also go down and search for new at the library in the past 30 days, and that will show you all of the new items that we have put out on our shelves for DVDs.